In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare for Australian passport renewal with essential tips. First, you need to ensure that you're eligible for the online renewal process. Not everyone can take advantage of this convenient service. To qualify, you must hold an Australian passport that is either currently valid or has expired less than 3 years ago. Additionally, your passport should have been issued when you were age 16 or older and should have been valid for at least 5 years. Importantly, your personal details, like your name, date of birth, and gender, must match exactly with your current passport. If you don't meet these criteria, you'll need to complete a new application instead of a renewal. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step process to renew your Australian passport online. First, access the Australian Passport Renewal Online form on the official Department of Foreign Affairs and Trade website. Once there, fill in all your personal details exactly as they appear on your old passport. Remember to include your contact details like email and phone number and upload any supporting documents if necessary. After filling in your information, take a moment to review all the details to ensure everything is accurate. The system allows you to save your progress, which is helpful if you need additional time to gather all required documents. Once complete, print the form and make sure to sign it using black ink as instructed. Next, gather all supporting documents you might need. This includes your current or most recent passport, 2 compliant passport photos, and proof of any name change, if applicable. Submitting your application is your next step. If you're in Australia, you can lodge your application at an Australia Post outlet. For those overseas, you'll need to submit it at the closest Australian embassy, High Commission, or consulate. There's also a fee involved in renewing your passport, which can usually be paid online or at the submission center. The cost varies depending on the passport type. A 10-year passport for adults over 16 years costs AUD 346, while a 5-year passport for children under 16 years or seniors 75 and older is AUD 175. If you need urgent processing, there's an additional fee of AUD 237. Note that fees might vary if you apply from overseas. It's worth mentioning that standard applications are usually processed within 3 weeks, while urgent applications might be processed within 2 business days with an extra fee. Overseas applications may take longer due to mailing delays. For peace of mind, be sure to apply at least 6 months before any planned travel. To ensure a smooth application process, start early and be sure that your passport photos meet the official guidelines. Check your email regularly for any updates or requests from DFAT, respond promptly, and always keep digital and paper copies of your application. Accuracy is key, so provide honest and precise information to avoid any setbacks. Finally, avoid common mistakes like submitting blurry photos, forgetting to sign the printed form, or providing outdated contact information. And remember, if your passport expired more than 3 years ago, or if any major personal details have changed, you'll need to fill out a new application instead of renewing. Whether you're dealing with a name change, damaged or lost passport, or children's passports, make sure to follow the specific requirements I've outlined. By following these guidelines, you'll navigate the renewal process seamlessly, whether you're applying from within Australia or overseas.